This is a rescue operation. Our heating guy encountered a plumbing leak, so now the plumber is going to go save him. Pinhole leak can be a mist. Just sprays out in a mist, finer than a needle. Just enough to make wetness. Only takes about 3 days for mold to start in ideal conditions. So once that happens, it has to get removed and dried out. Generally, the mold spores travel. As soon as it dries out, they get airborne, and then they'll find someplace else to grow. We want to mitigate that as soon as possible. So what's the story, Morning Glory? I mean, I see the pinhole leak.
Yeah.
What are we approved to repair?
I mean, he's not here.
So, you can see that leak right there? Doesn't take much, you can't hear it. Needle thin. And of course the water pressure's off right now, I'm sure. The water from the inside is just as nasty. Buggy. Hey, Buggy. The whole house is being repaired. It's been repaired like 5 different times.
Okay.
Animal crawl space comes back and around, and it's full of ducting back where that actually drops in. I can't get to it because there's about this much space on top of the ducting that's laying on the ground. Well, it's probably solid dirt underneath there. It's all rotted out too. Yeah. It's on the other side too, probably 15 feet that way. It's pretty crusty.
Wonderful. The things you went over.
No weight to this piece of pipe. There's a pinhole. All right, now we'll get some fittings and make a repair.
Jeez.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, thanks. A lot lighter than your normal copper pipe.
Probably because half of it's missing.
uh-huh.
Or worn away.
Super thin though. Type K, type M, or type L. Like, is this the right pipe?
Well, it was when it was put in.
Yeah.
See, it's M. This is M. This is L, so it's a little bit heavier.
Okay.
But yeah, that's the difference.
Wow. It's crazy.
And that's what the whole house is piped in,
Is this?
except for where it's already been repaired. 5 or 6 repairs. Again, sharp pipe couplings and packs underneath, and not supported. It's just cut and patched, cut and patched, cut and patched, 5 or 6 places.
Okay.
So this has happened before. I'm sure he's aware it's happened before. He's lived here for the last 10 years.
Sure.
And he's probably paid as much in repairs as half of repiping the house. So that last job is an ongoing problem that somebody is well aware of. Multiple repairs have been made in the crawl space. Accessibility in the crawl space is very limited, which is going to make it difficult to repipe if they opt to go with the repipe. But the thin wall copper, as thin as it is going to leak again. So it's just a matter of time. It might be when they turn the water back on. It might not be for 6 months or 5 years, but it's going to happen again. So my opinion is it needs to be replaced. I don't think the homeowner really has a lot of a choice. You could choose a different person, but it's still going to have to be replaced.